Logging in. All users, staff, students, and parents, log in at epace.aceconnect.com. When a user is added, an email is sent to the user's email address with the subject line, A.C.E. Connect, new account created. The email includes the username and a temporary password. If an email is not received, the user should check his spam or junk folder. He can also request a new email on the epace.aceconnect.com login page by selecting the Forgotten Your Username or Password link, entering either the username or email address, and clicking Search. This sends a password recovery email to the email address recorded in his profile. To ensure emails go to the correct email addresses, you can view and edit the staff and student profiles. For staff, go to School Setup and click Staff. If the email displayed for a staff member is not accurate, click the green pencil icon in the Action column and then click Save. Please note that only someone with administrator access can edit staff profiles. For students and parents, go to School Setup, click Enroll Students in Learning Center, and click the green View Students icon under the Action column. If the email displayed for a student is not accurate, click the green pencil icon in the Action column to edit, and then click Save. To see or edit the email for a parent, click the green pencil by the parent's name. Note that changing the email address in the staff or student profile does not trigger a password recovery email sent from ePACE. That must be done from the login page after the email address has been corrected. If further help is needed, please contact ePACE support at aceschooloftomorrow.com.